To take out the turn signal bulb, first we'll have to turn the tire inwards. Right where the turn signal is at the front, behind, notice there is a cover that needs to be taken out. We'll use a clip remover tool like this and we'll take out that clip right there. Clip is out. Now we will just slightly pull out this plastic cover. The cover has tabs on both sides and we carefully need to pull out all those tabs to take it out completely. We got the front cover taken out. Now we will also have to take out the circled cover right there. Grab the cover and then rotate counterclockwise. Then pull the cover outwards. Just like that. Right there is the plug for turn signal and we will have to turn it counterclockwise to pull out the plug along with the bulb. Now we will grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise. And then we will just pull the plug along with the bulb outwards. You may have to wiggle a little bit until the complete plug comes out. There you notice the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now to take this bulb out, all we have to do is just press it downwards, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull the bulb outwards. Just like that, that is how we take out the bulb. Now in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, all you have to do is just make sure that this edge of the bulb right here and the other edge of the bulb on the other side, both of them should match with the position of the plug. Notice there is one spot right here and the other spot right there. We'll make sure we punch in the bulb keeping in mind those two positions. Slide in the bulb and then push it all the way down, and then while pressing the bulb down, we turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. In this way, the bulb is also not coming out. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug where we took it out from. Just a heads up, this place is quite tight, so you may have to work your way out while punching in your arm along with the plug. Also, make sure that the plug is completely in. Once the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, the bulb is completely in, and notice while we are pulling it out, it's not coming out. Seems all good. Now we will go ahead and punch in the circled cover. First, we will make sure the cover is completely in. Then we will turn the cover clockwise all the way till the very end to install it firm and strong. Circled cover is completely in. Now we will punch in the cover which is part of the fender liner. We'll punch in the bottom part first. And notice from behind there are two tabs right here and then two tabs on the other side. We will have to make sure we slide in all of those tabs. To punch in this cover completely, we will have to make sure all of those tabs are completely in. Once all the tabs are completely in, then we will go ahead and punch in this clip. Just like that. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used for this takeout.